Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today you join us at a beautiful bungalow here in the Grove. Now this is 20 The Grove. The Grove is located in Green Hill, which is a really popular, quiet residential part of Herne Bay. Now, as we walk throughout this property, you'll see it's presented to an immaculate standard. We've got a wonderful level of finish here with this property, as it has been caringly refurbished over the last few years. Now, we're starting the tour by taking a look at one of the front bedrooms. Of course, this is a 4-bedroom detached bungalow. So that there is bedroom number 4, and of course coming through to the side here we have bedroom number 1. Now, bedroom number 1 is certainly a double-sized room, plenty of space here. We've got that beautiful bay window there at the front that you can see from the front of the property. Of course, you've got all of that off-road parking here on the block paved driveway as well. But just looking back across the room there, you can see again that lovely level of finish. Of course, you've got that nice big range of fitted wardrobes there. Those lovely oak doors. I really like the flooring here as well. And of course, you have the huge bonus of having the ensuite shower room here. So really nice size shower cubicle there on the left, and of course you've got the loo and the sink unit there as well. So we're going to go back out into the main entrance hall for the property and make our way further down the corridor to see what awaits us. Coming through onto the left here, we've got yet again another bedroom. Of course, you've got again some really handy storage there just behind us. Of course, the window there at the side letting all that natural light come through. And again, this is a fantastic sized room. Not bad at all. Coming across the hallway space, we have the main family bathroom. Of course, you've got that lovely contemporary fitted unit there, housing the loo, the concealed cistern and the sink unit as well, and of course the bath with the shower unit above. On the right hand side, we have a very, very handy utility room with, of course, the cat flap in the side of the wall. Living space here at the rear of the property. You can see just how this property has been fully maximised. You've got a beautiful extension here at the rear. Of course, you've got those wonderful Velux windows just above us in the kitchen, and the kitchen, of course, is a beautiful, fully fitted, nice modern kitchen. The lounge space itself is very, very impressive. You've got a whacking great amount of space. And again, just having a look at the kitchen there with the Velux windows just up above. Of course, you've got that really nice abundance of natural light just flooding straight through into this main reception space. Of course, we do have a set of doors leading us outside where you're going to find a quite incredible sized rear garden as well. Very, very rare to find. So of course, this is a 4-bedroom detached bungalow. We'll be going outside in a few moments to take a look at the garden, but again, just take a look at that wonderful living space here. Next up, we're going to go outside and just take a look at that. What an incredible sized rear garden, but it doesn't feel too much to manage. Of course, you've got this lovely big expanse of decking area here with, again, the grassed area there as well. So we really would ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies, find out a little bit more about this very, very impressive 4-bedroom detached bungalow. Of course, we're located in Green Hill. We're number 20 The Grove here. We're in Green Hill in Herne Bay, and we're located only a few short moments away from the main high street in Herne Bay, and then of course a short drive down into Tankerton and Chesfield. So we really would ask you, give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies, find out a little bit more about this property, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your own free valuation.